Easy DIY Murphy Bed is a leading manufacturer and retailer of Murphy bed hardware and accessories for almost a decade. All our products are manufactured in the USA and Canada, for quality and reliability you can count on for a lifetime of usage and enjoyment. Our products include quality do-it-yourself Murphy bed hardware for mattress sizes ranging from twin to king size. The very popular stay-level Murphy bed desk, and our new and unique Murphy bed cabinet lock. Anyone with basic woodworking skills can build their own Murphy bed, also commonly known as a wall bed. Both vertical and horizontal cabinet orientations are available so you can truly customize your living space. All our hardware kits come complete with a set of visually illustrated guides and 24/7 access to online videos, providing step-by-step instructions for building and assembling the Murphy bed as well as all our other products. All our hardware products come with a full lifetime warranty for complete peace of mind. You also get fast and friendly customer service in case you require help at any point. We are now offering special savings when you purchase any Murphy bed hardware combined with our stay-level desk hardware. As a bundle, you will instantly save $20 off. We also offer quantity discounts when you purchase 2 or more hardware kits of any size. That's a savings of $10 off each hardware kit. Why not browse our products and watch the videos under the videos section and discover how Easy DIY Murphy bed can help you save money and help you enhance your living space. Thank you for watching.